Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix the archive is either unknown format or damaged in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your archive folder which is in WinRAR or compressed folder, it is showing while you are extracting the files from that folder, your archive is either unknown format or damaged, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to download one software. Just open your Chrome browser, then type here download 7-zip. Then hit enter. Just select the first option, download. Here you can see multiple options. You can select as per your operating system and as per your bit, how much bit system operating you are using. There are two types of operating system bits, 32-bit and 64-bit. If you want to check what version of operating system you are using, for that you just need to click on start menu, then click on settings. Then in left section you can see your system, click on the system, come to the right section, scroll down, you can see your about. You just need to click on this about. Here you will find your bit system. You can see mine bit system is 64-bit operating system, so I will download 64-bit operating system. If you are using 32-bit operating system, you can download the 32-bit operating system. You can see both 32-bit and 64-bit. So I will download my 64-bit. The download has been started and it has been completed. After completion of this, just click to install, click on yes, click on install, then close the window. After completion of this, you just go to that folder for which you are getting the issue. Suppose if this is the folder, you just right click on that. If you are using Windows 11, click on show more option. After that, select to open with 7-zip. You can see here 7-zip. You can add to archive or you can open with 7-zip. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the archive either is unknown format or damaged on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.